Braithwaite here. Again, I'm still at the show, and this is turning out to be really good. I'll show you why. See all these? Those are really early Fordson, I think. There's a Q plate, so I've no idea when it's how long it actually is. I'm no expert, but I didn't know Porsche made a tractor. See? I know Lamborghini certainly did, and to a certain extent still do. But this one looks quite nice. I wonder what brand it is. Massey Ferguson. Oh yeah, this one's an International. My mate Alan uses Massey Fergusons on his farm. Right, trio of quite a nice trio of Massey Fergusons there. This one looks as a farmer's tractor should, by the looks of things. See all the rust and patina there. There's a convertible as well. A John Deere with adjustable wheels. It's a 1972 model. A little one with, just little pinch wheels. Interesting. But this is enormous, this John Deere. See the size of those? I'm sure that would have been a monster truck in another life. We've got a bit of an egg on the tyre. Jeez. And I've saved the best for last. A Hart Par, I've never seen one of these before. Solid tyres. Looks one step forward from a traction engine. Maybe it is. Who knows? Anyway, I will see you in the next video. It'll probably be from here, to be honest, because I'm really liking this. Okay, see you soon. Bye.